Ready to level up your facial game? Stick with us for some quick tips to boost your attractiveness. Skincare. Establish a skincare routine tailored to your skin type and concerns. This typically includes cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. Use products formulated to address specific issues such as acne, dryness, or aging to maintain a healthy and youthful complexion. Don't forget to apply sunscreen daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Eyebrows. Keep your eyebrows well groomed by regularly trimming any stray hairs and shaping them to complement your face shape. Consider visiting a professional esthetician or brow specialist to get them shaped and styled for a clean and polished look. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and create a fuller appearance if necessary, while still maintaining a natural look. Facial hair. If you have facial hair, keep it neatly trimmed and styled according to your preference. Regularly clean and moisturize the skin beneath the facial hair to prevent irritation and promote healthy growth. Face. Choose a hairstyle that complements your face shape and personal style, and keep it clean, well-conditioned, and styled to maintain a polished appearance. Use a foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone and conceal any blemishes or imperfections. Apply a bronzer or blush to add warmth and definition to your face, and finish with a highlighter to accentuate your cheekbones and give your skin a healthy glow. Eyes. Use a gentle eye cream to hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Apply an eye serum or gel containing ingredients like caffeine or vitamin C to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use an eyelash curler to lift and curl your lashes before applying mascara for a wide-eyed and awake look. Lips. Keep your lips soft and smooth by exfoliating regularly with a homemade scrub made from sugar and honey. Apply a moisturizing lip balm containing nourishing ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil to keep them hydrated. Consider using a lip scrub or treatment with natural plumping ingredients like cinnamon or peppermint oil to enhance their fullness and color. Massage. Incorporate facial massage into your skincare routine to stimulate circulation, promote lymphatic drainage, and relax facial muscles. Use your fingertips or a facial roller to gently massage your skin in upward and outward motions, starting from the center of your face and working towards the hairline. Focus on areas prone to tension or puffiness, such as the jawline, temples, and under the eyes, to help release tension and reduce swelling. Consider using a facial oil or serum with anti-aging ingredients like retinol or vitamin C to enhance the benefits of your massage and promote firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Thanks for watching. Confidence is your best accessory. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Stay stunning!